What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, family? Black Guns and Gardens here. Hope all is well with everybody. Family, I'm just out here this evening, y'all, just kind of looking through my seeds, fam. Oh, yeah, I'm looking through my seeds. Fam, I have decided to enter the Plant a Garden TV Herb Garden Challenge. Oh, yeah, it's the Plant a Garden TV Herb Garden Challenge, y'all. You know, for those who may not know or be familiar with Plant a Garden TV, you know, Planter is a wealth of knowledge and information. He is a jewel to the gardening community, y'all. He grows a lot of food, and he grows it naturally. You know, Planter is challenging us to grow at least 5 herbs this spring. He would prefer that we, grow from seed. But if that is an issue, you can definitely go to your big box store, your local nursery, and pick up a few starts. Oh, yeah, fam. So the challenge will run from February the 1st to June 1st, and the winner will receive $200 cash, y'all. Oh, yeah, $200 cash. So, what is old Black Guns and Gardens growing, y'all? First up, fam, we have thyme. Yeah, we have thyme. You know, thyme is a immunity booster. It's packed with vitamins and nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin B6, iron, calcium, and magnesium, y'all. Oh, yeah. So that's the first entry. The first entry is thyme. Moving right along, fam, we have chamomile. You know, this plant develops little daisy-like flowers, and it's used in herbal teas to calm the nerves and settle the stomach. Yeah, so the second entry, y'all, is chamomile. Next up, y'all, we have peppermint. Yeah, we have peppermint. You know, peppermint is a highly regarded herb all around the world, y'all. Its fragrance makes it a welcome addition to homemade salves, desserts, and even teas, y'all. Yeah. Moving right along, fam, we have lemon balm. Yeah, we have the lemon balm, y'all. You know, lemon balm is a lemon-scented medicinal herb. It's used to calm nerves, settle the stomach, and treat cold sores, y'all. Yeah, you know, the lemon flavored leaves make a wonderful, refreshing tea. Last but not least, y'all, we have rosemary. Yeah, you know, rosemary belongs in the mint family. It's rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It aids in digestion. It improves mental focus. And it keeps your brain sharp, y'all. Oh, yeah. So let's wrap it up, y'all. We have rosemary. We have lemon balm. We have peppermint. We have chamomile. And we have thyme, y'all. Oh, yeah. So these are my entries, y'all. These are my entries for the Plant a Garden Herb Garden Challenge, y'all. Family, I appreciate everybody for rocking with me. I really, really do. I appreciate everybody for rocking with me. I appreciate all the support, fam. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Black Guns and Gardens out.